earn so much wealth that when you are sick, your children do not bring a doctor or a lawyer. Always be friends with honest people. They are your capital in good times and your protector in bad times. Meeting the poor with arrogance and smiling while meeting the rich is not the beauty of humanity, but rather a worse benefit. Earning 100 tons of gold does not reduce its value. Taking the blessings of elders does not reduce respect. Educate your son so much that there is no need to ask for dowry, and educate your daughter so much that there is no need to give dowry. Indeed, prayer is the best companion from this world to the grave, from the grave to the end, and from the end to paradise. The command given to take the soul to the land of death by giving charity is also withdrawn. People come from other countries to offer funeral prayers, but Muslims do not go to the local mosque to offer their obligatory prayers. A person becomes harsh when many people take unfair advantage of his gentleness. When children become rich in the wealth of the world, when a child becomes rich in the wealth of faith, the child speaks with fear lest the parents get angry. Never trust in your age and money, because whatever is counted is going to end. Everyone understands the meaning of words. I wish someone understood the meaning of words. Help others, Allah will help you. The one who gives comfort to others is never restless. I have never heard of a person being drowned by his grandmother. A person is always drowned in his past. When reason begins to come, marriage takes place. When the age of love comes, children have to be raised. When the time for rest comes, diseases surround, and when a person begins to understand life, death comes. Before falling into prostration, embrace those who are in trouble because of you, because diseases of the heart are not forgiven. When a person is born, he is not allowed to bring anything with him. When he dies, he is not allowed to take anything with him. But there is no room for regret. Between this life and death, every person wants to get everything that he has neither brought with him nor can take with him. What cannot be obtained even by prayer, then understand that Allah has given you something better than that. It is necessary to lose when the fight is with your people, and it is necessary to win when the fight is with you. Never marry your daughter to ignorant and immoral people. By God, this girl does not need to die after some time. She dies on her own. Covering up your character, Iqbal. Everyone is saying that times are bad. I thought that I would build a house and live in peace, but the needs of the house made me a traveller. There is no crowd at the funeral without reason, O Iqbal. Everyone feels good after receiving someone. Do not be so loyal to someone under such intoxication, Iqbal. These people forget 1,000 loyalty on one mistake. The one who truly loves you will stop you from doing useless and illegal things. IT. This pile of dust is someone's life. The best answer to bad behavior is good medicine, and the best answer to ignorance is silence. It is not known whether every prayer is accepted or not, but Durood Sharif is a prayer that is accepted as soon as it is recited. When you turn your difficulties into prayers, Allah turns your worries into blessings. If people remember you in their time of need, do not feel bad, because a lamp is remembered only when it is dark. These 3 actions increase your respect in someone's heart. First, saying greetings. Second, giving someone a place. And third, calling them by a good name. These are 5 signs that are about to appear or are happening. Allah is about to change his time soon. Number 1, his eyes start opening in the last hour of the night, i.e. the Tahajjud. Number 2, he starts understanding the religion. Number 3, Allah Almighty definitely tests the person whose time is about to change. Number 4, a strange glow starts appearing on the face of that person, and a strange beauty starts appearing. Number 5, that person does not have much desire for worldly wealth, which Allah Almighty has blessed him with. Times are changing. These 5 signs are definitely visible in him. Avoid the friend who does not help you in difficult times, because he is your biggest enemy. When you go to someone's house, control your eyes. And when you leave his house, control your tongue so that both the honor and the secrets of that place are protected. How strange this world is. It calls the honest a fool, the dishonest a smart one, and the shameless a beautiful one.